Hello, do you need this kind of transition? In this video, I will show you an easy way to get these lens flare, burns, and light leak effects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more Filmora tutorials. Open Filmora Mobile, create a new project, and import your own videos. Split your videos wherever you like and click this small white button in between of these two video clips. To find those transitions earlier, you may search for lens flare. Our lens flare transition adds a cinematic and dynamic touch to videos, creating a smooth and visually appealing way to shift between scenes. Its natural light effect enhances the aesthetic quality, making the transition feel seamless and professional. You may explore the other transitions in Filmora Mobile, such as lens burn and light leaks. Apply this to all parts of your project and you will get a wonderful result. In this part, I am just looking for the best parts in my video clips where it's good to cut and apply these transitions. Light leaks are also a good option in transitioning between clips, as it can give you more dynamics in your project. Once you are done and satisfied with your editing and transitions, you may add a background music, sound effects, then export. I hope you learned something today. Keep creating and see you in my next video.